Hello class 9, this is the history tutorial video. We were doing the Russian Revolution. In the previous videos we looked into the Russian society in 1905 to 1914. What was the situation before the Russian Revolution actually happened? Today we will look at the Russian political scenario before the Russian Revolution, how everything was, what were the political parties that were formed. So let's begin. All political parties were banned in Russia before 1914. The Russian Social Democratic Workers' Party was founded in 1898 by socialists who believed in Marx's writings, who respected Marx's ideas. However, because of government policing, it had to operate as an illegal organization. So the party was actually banned by the government of Russia, by the monarchy of Russia. So it had to operate uh, as an illegal organization. It set up newspapers, it mobilized workers, and it organized strikes. Some Russian socialists felt that Russian farmers had a custom of dividing land periodically. So this custom, where they actually cultivated the land, they sometimes put their lands together and cultivated them together. At other times, they divided this land and cultivated individually. So this custom of dividing the land periodically made them natural socialists. This was thought by some Russian socialists. So farmers and not workers would be the main force of revolution, as thought by those socialists, and Russia could become socialist country more quickly than others. So some socialists thought that the workers would bring the revolution, the workers would lead the revolution, and other socialists thought that not the workers but the farmers would lead the revolution. Socialists were active in the countryside throughout the late 19th century. They formed the Socialist Revolutionary Party. Socialist Revolutionary Party. This was formed in 1900. This party struggled for peasants' rights, demanded that land belonged to nobles be transferred to land belonging to nobles be transferred to peasants. This was the demand of the Socialist Revolutionary Party. Social Democrats disagreed with socialist revolutionaries about the farmers' issue. Social Democrats' leader was Vladimir Lenin. Lenin felt that the farmers were not one united group. Some were poor, others were rich, some worked as laborers, others were capitalists who employed other farmers. So the farmer group was very much divided by their background, by their status, by their living style, etc. So given this different ways of life within them, they could not all be a part of the socialist movement. This is what Lenin thought. Also, the party was divided over the strategy of organization. The Social Democratic Party, the Social Democratic Workers' Party, this was divided over how to organize the revolution, how to organize the party. Vladimir Lenin thought that in a repressive society like the Tsarist Russia, the party should be disciplined and should control the number and quality of its members. So Lenin was the leader of the Bolshevik group of the party. So he was on the opinion that in a repressive society like Russia, which is controlled by the Tsar and is very repressive in nature, very autocratic in nature, the party should be controlled, and the number and the quality of its members should be checked. And others like Mensheviks, the Menshevik part of the party, they believed that the party should be open for all. They believed that anyone and everyone can join the party. But Lenin was on the opinion that no, only the people who actually believe in what they aim for, the revolution, they should be joining the party, and the party should be regulated, the party should be very much disciplined. We will stop here. We'll continue with this in the next video. Till then, bye.